In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to clean data. This is a quick way to fix errors, organize information, and prepare your data for analysis. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the data file, such as a CSV or spreadsheet, from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Clean this dataset by removing duplicates and fixing formatting." Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will process the file and generate a cleaned version of the data, correcting errors and organizing it properly. If I want more specific cleaning, I can refine my prompt. For example, I might type, "Standardize the date format and remove empty rows." Claude can also help with sorting, restructuring, and improving data consistency. Once the cleaned data is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for analysis or reporting. And that's it, I've successfully cleaned data using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.